in here? Let's see.
How'd you get that bump on your nose?
Here,
Should
look up.
hit her head off her face off the rocking chair.
Come on. Open. Open. Uh-oh. What's in there? Oh, Luca. Juliana. Luca. Luca, baby. Oh, it's hibachi in here.
I just bought it.
Look at.
Oh.
That's all the toys for.
Wow.
3?
3 years and up.
Alright, just go play with it.
I knew it was too big for her when we bought it.
Here, babe.
Hope John Cruz was not knocking on her door tomorrow morning.
I'm trying to record a video.
Gigi. Here, babe. Here, look up.
Better not come over here and knock on this door.
Here, look up, look up, look up. Oh.
Look at.
Wow. Look up, look up. Juliana, look up, look at this. Look at down. Juliana.
Yep. I'll just go play with the toy that we have had since
Look
we've
up.
been born.
Look what Grandma has. Oh, boy. Look up. Gigi, look up. Oh.
She is just so excited.